Cool. Alright, we're live. Oh yeah. Let's go live on Discord as well. Share your screen. Screen one. Go live. Alright. So while we were wait. I guess what you're supposed to do is supposed to wait a little bit. Wait for the kids to roll in. I want Pokemon Stadium music. That's good. Alright. Where were we? I need to figure out how this is supposed to be used. Oh, no. I want... okay. Sure. Fill pixel window buffer. I don't need the tile map shit. But it says it needs to be on. But window tile. What's this? Oh, I know what I'll do. We'll look at. Okay, Grunt Lucas, sample UI. Alright, so while everybody was away, welcome in. I see people here now. I am trying to figure out why the green background here doesn't show up. And I know it's because I'm incorrectly using some functions. So, when I turn off both of these, so right now you'll see Wilton's name is there. Fisherman Wilton. My man Wilton. No problem. But what's also supposed to be there is the background behind Wilton is highlighted. So, when I do this, when I comment out those two lines, what happens is, come on. Alright, and then open this bad boy up. Wilton's text is gone. The other thing didn't happen. Where, okay. That's off. This needs to be off. Yeah. Turn these two things. Yeah. When I turn those two things off. Okay. We compile again. Oh no. Where's my game? Uh-oh. My terminal has crashed. That's very bad. Uh-oh. Alright, we're just gonna open up a new one. That's fine. This is gonna be interesting. Pretty sure there's a nasty little swap file in there. Alright, luckily it's saved, so it should be fine. If I just do this, yep, and then open that, and now we compile again, and while it's compiling... Alright, so what's supposed to happen is it opens MGBA. Yeah, like that. Alright. So when I do that, and now when I open, you'll see that Wilton's name doesn't show up, but the background does show up. So something in these functions, these are basically fighting with each other. And I don't exactly understand how they work, because I'm dumb, but today in this stream, we're going to figure out the relationship between printing text here and printing on BG1, and in theory, we will be able to figure out what the actual fuck is going on. Also, if anybody has any ideas, feel free to chime in the chat. But fine if you don't. So I'm looking at somebody else's branch to see. Lucas is a god among men and has a lot of tutorials about how this shit works. And so I'm wondering if he has any insight into exactly what text functions are doing. So I feel like if I look at his text printing functions and kind of work backwards from there, I'll have a good idea of what the hell I'm doing. Alright, so he's adding a text printer, and then he copies it to VRAM. Interesting. Oh, there is a different mode here. I totally forgot about that. Dude, what if that was it the whole time? Alright. Now that we're done drawing text, copy pixel. Okay, so that has to happen afterwards. Cool. I wonder if there are other constants that I can call here. Because in my testing yesterday, I saw that BG1 is always... C always has to be off. A always has to be off. So this is what basically gets the text print, is what I'm understanding. Oh no, A and C need to be on for text to print. And A and C need to be off for text to print. Or for the background to show up. But I wonder if that is actually the trick here. Is copy when graphics. Instead I should use copy when full. So what's the difference, I wonder? Alright, let's see. So he's using copy when full. Copy when full will copy both the tile map buffer and the tiles themselves. Typically when updating text in window, you only need to copy the tile campus since the tile map should never change. But to edit both, we need to get them both into VRAM. So at the beginning, I should be doing full. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is good reading. Schedule copy of BG1 tile map. This was okay. Fill the each entire pixel to buffer with a given value. Make it completely transparent. We will draw text into the pixel buffer later. Okay, right? Increasing the tiles and offset. Because the window I'll draw window. Each one needs indeed. Put the next tile VRAM. That way we can treat tiles as a pseudo frame buffer and text for everyone. Okay. This sounds promising. So this is put window tile map. So this is for initializing the windows. I don't need to... Oh, no, I already do that, right? So it's like... Okay. Schedule copy BG0 tile integrate. Do I need to do this part? I don't think so. Like, it already happens. Alright, so let's say I change these from copy when graphics to copy when full. Does that make any difference? Alright, let's try that. Copy when full. Alright. Let's see. No, that is the worst of both worlds. Very cool. And if I want to roll back, yes, okay, cool. And then, is this one? Oh, interesting, okay. So what if I do that, right? I want it to be transparent. I want to put the window tile map. If that happens... Does he do that here? He doesn't. It doesn't do it at all. So why do I need it here? That doesn't make any sense. So if I want BG... Alright, let's get... None of these need to be on. And that seems to be consistent, right? Because add text. Yeah, I want to fill the... It doesn't matter, right? So this is... I definitely want to do this. I want to fill the pixel buffer. I want to do all the string shit and then copy to VRAM. So this should be copy when graphics full. Okay, but now when let's see, print buttons. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So this makes sense in isolation. This should just work. It's the stuff before this that doesn't seem to work. So right now I have... This should not show up. Right, why is that? What is happening here? Okay, I think I need to schedule map buffer 01 to VRAM. Right? So I am doing some, but I'm not doing that on the other. Okay, let's try that. Schedule BG. And this is BG1. This is where the good stuff's happening. And then, do I want to fill it with transparency again? Yeah, let's do it again. Why not? And then this is different, right? This is like glass window. Trainer name is what we need to fill. And then put window tile map. Okay, that makes sense because it's the first time doing it. And then copy the window to VRAM using full. Okay, so that's like almost everything. Glass window. Yeah. I feel very silly, but in theory this will just work. Oh, I need to be text color, pixel fill, text color transparent. Thank God for that macro, dude. Cool. Alright, let's see. Okay, text, no BG. Also, I just realized I don't have stream info. I hope it's the same this time. Nope. Cool. Working on Pokemon trainer list front end. Cool. Do not show that again. Alright, update the stream type. Alright, back at it. Alright. So the name shows up, that's expected. I see it trying, it's struggling. Why? Alright, what happens if you just become copyright graphics? And what happens if you become copyright full? But I'll wait until after this compiles. If I switch them. And I have a sneaking suspicion that is wrong. doesn't make a fucking difference. Okay. That's fine. Let's see. So I will look at this. Alright, so I'm scheduling that. It's not making much of a difference, which is weird. Buffer, yep, I see that. Marks all text printers, that doesn't matter. The text printers being deactivated doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. I'm filling the pixel buffer. Actually, what is the tile? Oh no, because the text is showing up, I know that that's being done correctly. So why can't I see what comes after init windows here? I'm filling the pixel buffer. I'm putting the window tile map and I'm copying it and I'm using full? Yes. Okay. So what am I doing wrong? It's like the last thing and then he's just printing shit. So there's really not much after that he's doing. Okay. So then clear window copy to VRAM is like the boilerplate one that I wrote. It's definitely not that. And normally when all this shit is gone, it's making sense. So like the question is actually why does the text printing rely on these things? Or which of these things rather does it rely on? So now let's go through these one by one. Because when they're all off, actually let's test that. When they're all off, does BG1 show up? I'm expecting that BG1 shows up. My data is right. BG1 will show up and the nameplate text will not show up. So I just have to see if that's true or not. Both are broken. Cool, very cool. Alright. That's not what my tests tell me would happen. It says if it's... Oh, and C also has to be off. I can't copy. Oh, I wonder if this has nothing to do. But right now it's neither, right? Alright, so let's figure out which one of these is required for text to show up. I don't think it's this. I don't think you need it. Yeah, I think we know that B doesn't fucking matter. C does matter. Don't know why. Why did you do that over there? I need you here. Okay. Oh, interesting. So this is just like objectively wrong. Okay, so when A, is this A and C again? Yeah, when A and C are on, we're back at fucking square one, because that's what this is. Alright, we're back, maybe. Fill pixel window, copy full. We have literally made no progress. Alright, very cool. Oh, no. Alright. Cool. And so when they are all off, and when C is off. I wonder if there's some combination where C is on, but these are off. Copy when full takes everything, so this it's already being scheduled from VRAM, right? Alright, so now if I copy this, if I comment this out, comment this out, that will print BG0 but not the text. We know this. Or we're confident in this. Yeah, okay. And if this comes back, then nothing works. There are no scenarios when that is correct. Yeah, okay. Nothing works. Cool. As predicted. So they're like related in some way? I wonder. So now I'm like, oh, wait. No, I want the opposite of that. I just want to do the copy win once. Actually, I'm going to get rid of B. I mean, B doesn't really matter. Interesting. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's new. Oh, wait, hold on. This is very new. So to get text on, A has to be on and C has to be on, but actually it's just, okay, B is like completely fucking useless. What's actually true is parts of A have to be on. So now, what if I do this afterwards? Alright, so now let's do this. We're inching closer. I'm going to try that, and then I'm going to try putting the tile map after. What does Lucas do it? Lucas does the tile map. Nope. That's fun, though. Why did I think that would work? Put window. He does it before copy window to VRAM. So what if I just do it here? He doesn't normally do it before the text, but it's because we're clearing it. Okay, alright. We might be doing something. Nope. Shit. Alright, that I was not super expecting that to work. Let's try here. Before doesn't matter, that's like where we already were. But after, and I'm going to change that to full afterwards. Okay, we have text. That's interesting. So now this should be full because it's both. As long as that happens after every time change background happens, we should be golden. If this doesn't work, then I don't know. No, it doesn't work. We do have a fun little discovery where it does not need to be on, turns out. And I feel like this is worth committing on. Is this copy window to VRAM even fucking no? If it's gone, there's no text at all, right? I think so. Oh! Alright, we need that. If we do new. Then there's still no text. Pretty certain. Yeah, okay. What happens if we move this to here? I think this works. That should just work. Yeah, that's text. And if you get rid of C entirely. Okay, this is worth committing. This is an updated version. Okay. So to set up trainer mode, we do this. Yeah. Alright, so now we do our experiments with these. This is line A. And this is line B. So now there's a bunch of different shit we can try. This is line D. Oh, no. This is B. And this is C. And I'm going to get rid of this. all these different scenarios I want to just have. And right now, this is at a point where A doesn't exist anymore, and we always print text. All right, and then what? Oh, that's interesting. I definitely don't want that. That doesn't change anything. If I got rid of both, I think that means there's a tile. So I think what's happening is that there is a tile map, and then or everything's hunky dory, and then that comes in just fucking wipes out BG1, right? Huh. Yeah, when this happens, it replaces BG1 with my text. We need to figure out why that is. So when BG1, so got it. And when B or C is off, it doesn't matter which one, they're both completely fucked. So I need like, don't overwrite the tile map. I wonder. Oh, because this. Oh my god, I think I figured it out. I think what's happening is that's filling it transparently, then it's putting it, and then that's copying it, but this will look a mess. No. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't matter no matter what. Cool. Okay, we really don't need this shit. What happens? I'm very certain now that you just don't even need to fill the window with transparency at all. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. So that's a cool discovery. Yeah, you don't need it. Alright, we're getting rid of it. And then when this is gone, there's no text. But BG1's okay. Put window to tile map is what gets rid of. Actually, what happens if they're all off? Yeah, this makes it so there's text. Oh, if there's nothing. I think this is actually line A. This is line A. What if the base block of your window? Is it clobbering the time of time? Okay, let's find out. Base block. My window is here, and the base block is just 1 plus the last base block, right? How do I know if it's clobbering or not? Like when I look in the viewer, ready? Alright, hold on. Ignore that. Okay, so when I do. Also, hi Archie. When I do. Let's look at the tiles. Hi. Alright. So, like, that's the list, that's the map and the left side, and then that's, like, the gray background nonsense. Looks fine, right? And there's, like, plenty of fucking space for activities. So, that green bar is supposed to appear where this map is. This is the trainer text, and then this is more gray shit. It's just one gray bar, right? Like, it's not more tiles than this. And there's less text, so there should be plenty of room. So then I hit yes. And I see my text, like for the help bar, but my trainer text is nowhere to be seen. Interestingly enough, the window is not initialized here. That's when I have put window timeout commented out. So basically, Archie, what I'm at, I don't know how long you've been watching, but it's like some combination of these means that I either have text or BG1, not both. So this is when there's just BG1 and no text. BG1 looks fine. And I don't see it in the tile viewer, but like it's obviously loaded because it's on the fucking screen. So that's where I'm at. 2 is fine. 3 is not even loaded. I just tell it to skip 3 right now. But yeah, the base block. I feel like I'm following all the base block rules. And I'm giving it room to breathe. So it's unclear to me what I'm fucking up here. But now, so let me show you the other side to this. Here, I'm going to screenshot this actually. Oh, is ShareX not automatically open on this machine? I need to fix that. Cool. Alright, I don't need that. Okay. Yeah, I'll just do this. Alright, so I'll put that link in chat. That should just work. Okay. And then, yeah, so now when I tell it to put the tile map, if I tell it to put the tile map and not copy it to VRAM, then it will not print the text, which is expected. So now we compile. And now when I open the tile viewer, I gotta get these shortcuts down. There's no shortcut for game state views. Oh, that's terrible. Alright, well, whatever. I'll live. And so now, yeah, see, now there's text, and this is being initialized here because I'm putting the tile map. Like, that makes sense to me. What doesn't make sense to me is why, when I run put when a tile map, does it it just clobbers everything in BG1. Like, BG1 is just fucking gone. And again, I can't see it here, but I couldn't see it here before either. But we knew it was okay because we saw it. What am I missing? So now I'll just do nice little before and after. Alright, and there's your after. Yeah, I don't understand what I'm missing here. So, that's where I'm at. And I feel like I'm getting close-ish. God is my witness. You know, I'll get there. If I just bash my head enough on this, I'll get there. Or Archie will come from the heavens and tell me, you fucking idiot. You absolute rube. Google Glass. You can see it right here. Google_Glass. But yeah, you have access if you want to fuck around. Let me know if you want my save file. I'll send it to you on Discord. Because it needs some setup or you won't be able to see that screen. Yeah, so I'm just a rube, so that's cool. Alright, back at it. Where was I? The fact that Archie jumps to... Actually, that's the most validating, is every time I ask Archie for help, and, like, we get through the dumb bullshit really quick, and he's like, just give me the branch. Like, and that tells me, like, oh, okay, it's not a stupid thing off the top of someone's head, which is great. That's a good feeling. The next worst thing that happens a lot is somebody comes back and goes, dude, I looked at your branch. I have no fucking idea what it is. Because then I'm like, oh, cool. It's not me. It's that this code base is cursed. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but we will see. I'm having a good time. Alright. Are there other versions of CopyWin? I don't think that's what I'd be looking at, but I'm curious more. Or like, what are the other constants? This is gonna fucking not be cool. Yeah, okay. Oh. Include constant. Oh no, it's in Gluflub. Freak library? That's probably what it is. I'm so stupid. Alright. CopyWin non-CopyWin map. Oh, for like tile map. That sounds promising. Dude, if that's it this whole time, I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm actually gonna fucking lose my mind if it was just that this whole time. Oh! No siree, Bob. Huh. This is interesting. This is the first time I've had a combination of copy window and put one tile map, not give me text. I wonder if I need to do graphic and then tile map. I'm going to try that. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to comment that out. And then I'm going to do full. Then I'm going to do graphic. So like, okay, do the tile map, then do the text on top of that and see if that does or does not make a fucking disaster. I'm expecting it to be a disaster though. Nope. Oh wait, whoops, I did full. I wanted to do map. Map. Okay, let's try this. Alright, here we go. No, that did not work. Alright, what if I switch them? If I do. Like, map seems like promising, right? Like, I got BG1 back, but no, not at all. You put window tile map. Shit's cursed. But I know I need that. Do I need that? What if I do that up here? Alright, time to get real cursed. Mega cursed. I don't think that's gonna be it. I wonder when Game Freak uses copy win map. Alright. Let's see. Oh! Woof. Alright. But graphics works, but full doesn't work? That seems odd. Oh! Map is just tile map. Graphics is like bullshit, and then full is all of it. I bet you. Duh. Okay. That makes sense. But it does not make sense here. Because it doesn't fucking work. So when I just do map, it freaks out. When I do full, it does this. And when I do graphics, and the text will not show up at all unless put when the time map is somewhere. That also makes sense to me. Yeah, okay. So that doesn't matter. So I might as well do graphic. I imagine this is like the smaller one. Okay. Okay. That's a start. Doesn't tell me much, but it's something. I feel like we're getting there. So right now we're at a state where, yeah, I don't think full or graphics matters. This has to be somewhere here. Alright. Can't wait for Archie to tell me that I'm a complete total rube. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited even. Alright. Like, it could be a memory thing, right? Like, I think clobbering tile map makes sense, but like, I don't even know how I would verify that because there's nothing in the viewer showing me that there's an issue. And and everything and I think the craziest part is everything works. Don't ignore that. Everything works fine on BG1 or on the first screen, right? Like this is all fine, and this is obviously a much bigger tile. Like, and there's no problem here whatsoever, and I'm setting up the exact same way. Ah, shit, and the flicker is back. God damn it! I saw that. All right. I gotta fix that later. Oh, that was interesting. Did you see that? Did I imagine that? Oh! Ha! Okay, this doesn't work. I need to do the pixel fill transparent. Duh. Okay, fine. Fine. You win. Okay, alright. Hard to tell with time maps because time maps are glitchy looking. Are the glitchy up the end? Right. I mean, I can make some room between 30 and 31. Make those a little more separate and see if that helps. Yeah, sure. I'm down for whatever. Also, but actually, I want to talk through that for a second. Are you telling me? Hold on. The glitchy looking stuff at the end isn't these are all my sprites, and then this stuff here. I actually don't know. These look like my palettes. I don't actually know. Is this my tile maps? I don't think it is. But yeah, sure. Let's separate these out. Let me put this transparent thing back though. It's not this up. Oh, these are the tiles, and these are the tile maps at the bottom. Sprite repair. Oh, okay, so if I just do BG. Okay, so this shit at the bottom is the maps. Oh, okay. That's cool. All right, good. I learned something today. Thank you. All right, let's do the pixel fill transparent thing again. Let me get that back. Yeah. Fine. All right, I should have known better. That was silly of me. Very silly. Glass window. Trainer name? Yes. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Texts, we're back. We're so back. All right, let's separate these out. So let's make this like fucking 27. Excuse me. See if that does anything. No. It's trying. But no. 29. Oh. Okay, actually, you're about to blow my fucking mind. Hold on. Char base index? Is that where the tiles start? And map base index is where the tile maps are? Okay. I was like, there's no way it's that. Okay, that's good to realize. I didn't even think about that, but I also know there's like some. I know like, I thought it was like 0 is like the first offset, and then the map base index is like an offset on top of that offset or something like that. Also, BG3 is just also not being loaded at all. I don't know if that was like I have a debug script. That's why the background's all pink. But let's do 29. Sure. But either way, I learned something today, so that's very cool. No. That didn't work. I also don't even know how to verify that things did or didn't improve. Yeah, it still looks just as. Are these different glitchy shit? Okay, so this is BG0. Sorry, the tile map 0, which is nothing, it's empty. And then 1, and then 2. Oh no, sorry, 1, 2, 3, because there's literally nothing on 0. And 3, I'm telling it to skip. I actually don't know why there's 3 segments here. Because I have, here, I'll just show you, hold on. Because as I'm trying to debug this, I have this in every loop involved with the backgrounds. It just says, if you're greater than or equal than 3, just skip it. Every character block. Yeah, that, okay. Yeah, I thought there was some overlap. Okay, cool. Alright, I knew there was some, okay, but I didn't realize one was for tiles and one for tile maps. That is, like, somewhat helpful, so thank you. That didn't do it, though. So that's, So, like, 31, 29, yeah, let's just spread all these motherfuckers out, right? Like, let's just, so we'll make, oh yeah, 27, 25 is fine. Like, should I push them all back by 2 again? Like, how do I just get this? Because this still happens when I comment out 2, right? Like, when I change this to 2 and just say, hey, never load char map 2 shit. Yeah. Oh, wait, that's not it. Here, I'll show you. But when I change this to BG2, yep. So this will get rid of the gray backgrounds. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, it still happens. Same problem. So I'm confident that's not it. Alright, where was I? I was in tile map. No, looking for the word tile map is not fucking useful. Set up trainer mode. Yeah, we were here. Set up, add the text. Huh. I wonder now. So I discovered, the way I discovered that print help, oh no, it's not print help bar, it's print, yeah, it's just trainer name. So like, in setting up trainer mode, if I just comment out handle trainer name, like if I just never print the trainer name and compile. Oh my god, why did you move again? Cool. Yeah, see, there's no problem at all when I just don't have the nameplate at all. So then I was like, okay, process elimination, what's the problem here? So I know that when I did like a bunch of testing of the different lines, and it's basically like, okay, when I'm printing the trainer name, when I put the window tile map, it kills it, right? If I comment this out, the text won't show up, but the background will. And it doesn't seem to remember where I put window tile map. Okay, that's a bad example because now it's neither, but I swear that's... Oh no, I think this one also has to be gone. Copy window. Yeah, I can't copy any windows to VRAM, and I can't put the window tile map, and then BG1 shows up. If either one of those are on, it just wipes out BG1 entirely. Yeah, see? But then the text doesn't show up. But if only one of those is on, then the text doesn't show up. They both have to be on. When they're both on, no BG1. When they're both off, then BG1. Like, they are mutually exclusive. I don't understand why that should be the case. And I don't touch this window at all until we get to this function. Like, even when I set up trainer mode, I don't touch it at all. I do it. I set up all the other windows just fine, and then it's just this one where there's a problem. So that's where I'm at. And put window tile map apparently needs to be somewhere. But like when I move it before or after the text printing, it doesn't seem to make a difference. Which is weird to me. Because I thought this was like, okay. Actually, what does he say put window tile map does? Using base block, put the tile indexes into the buffer. Okay, so your tiles to do a buffer and text however we want. Yep, that even condition. Okay. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Okay. Both the tile map buffer. Since the tile map should never change, but the tile map did change. Interesting. Huh. Now I'm like, oh, wait. Do I need to put the window tile map, copy to VRAM, and then copy to VRAM again after text? I feel like this is how we got into this mess. I feel like I actually already tried this. But we're going to try that now. So this is what Lucas does when he's initializing the program. And then this is what he does after text is written. So we're going to see if that helps, but I doubt it. Also, I imagine put window tile map only needs to happen once. No, that does not. I get text, but not anything else, which is what I expected to happen. It's so strange. Oh, hold on. Alright, let's switch those around. Nope. Not it. This ain't it. I should do a commit here, though. I think I will. This line doesn't even matter. Yeah. Okay. I feel like the fact that I'm eliminating lines is like a step in the right direction. Like I've got it really narrowed down. It's just the relationship here is fuzzy to me at best. Alright. And again, when this is off, it will not show me anything. Right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's get removed unneeded lines. Working out relationship, tile maps, and text. I need to add some notes. Alright, let's do some mad testing. This is not going to help me, but assuming things are in this. Oh no, I want to do this. Hold on. That was silly of me. Off, off, on, Okay. So this should go exactly the same as my last test. This is line A, this is line B, this is line C. This line definitely doesn't matter, but it's necessary for actual use of the function. Okay, so this is... Alright, so when all three are off, I should get nothing. No. It'll show me BG1. Yeah, okay. As expected. And now if I do off, on, off, And that's in this order. I should write that down. Order right now is ABC. It is A text. Let's just say that B, C. But we'll do this test again when they're in a different order. Oh, this is new. Okay, so this is nothing. This is a completely undesirable outcome. On, off, on. Okay. Let's see. Also completely undesirable outcome. Okay, but expected. When they're all on, I think just text will show up. Yeah, that sounds about right. Oh, okay. Oh no, I did say that. Okay. So this is BG1 off, text on. And then off, on. Okay. This will not work. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Off, on. This wouldn't. This is nonsense. Yep. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. I don't know why that is. I'll look into that later. So now, on, off. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, a disaster. BG1 shows up and garbled mech symptoms. I feel like that's good to know. What happens if I scroll? Interesting. The nameplates still show up. What does the viewer look like right now? I'm just fascinated. Dude, the viewer looks exactly the same. What good is this thing? Alright, it tells me that BG0 is freaking out. That's okay, so that's like when I write to the tile map or write to oh look, that's actually that garbled mess is actually my interesting. That's my map from the last screen. Like just not decompressed. It's this with the wrong palette. Why is it there? Copy widget of VRAM. Fascinating shit. Alright. Cool. Not what I wanted, but cool. And then on, off. We know what this is going to do. This is just going to show text and no background. Alright. Yes. As directed. Okay. On, off. Right? Text is on. No. BG's. Alright, and now let's order these by some semblance of usefulness. So this can go here. These can go here. Those are useless. These are interesting. Okay, 5 is mostly useless, but somewhat interesting. There's only one scenario. The only scenario where the BG is on is when everything is turned off. What? And the only scenario where the text is on is when the... Oh, interesting. When A and B are on... So wait, when... That doesn't make any sense. When B... Oh, that's right. Wait. When graphics is on, when C is on, but not B, the text doesn't show up? So when it's just graphics, that doesn't track with what I know. That seems wrong. But let's find out if I'm actually wrong. Oh, that okay. That is okay. That's what I thought. I was like, that doesn't make any fucking sense. All right. So this is on off on. That's what I thought. All right. Oh. Yeah. Let's do this. Cool. Okay. So it doesn't matter which one of the two is on if either one of them is on. And if A isn't on, text just does not print. It tries. Alright, so when A is on, it's putting the window tile map, which happens... When else does put window tile map happen? Clear window. Yep. Oh, interesting. Oh, wait, hold on. Print trainer name is where... So that's it. And then clear window, copy to VRAM. That happens a lot. So I wonder if that needs to happen at like the beginning, like before everything, right? Like set up. Interesting. Huh. Oh, that's why. That's interesting. That if I ever put the window tile map, it will... Okay, hold on. We're cooking. When I... Okay, here we go. When I set up trainer mode, I am changing the background and then... I'm changing the background and then I'm telling it, hey, clear this window. But touching the window shouldn't touch the background at all. Like, this function is literally, it's just dealing with window shit. So that shouldn't be related to it at all. But, what if I, in clear location mode, let's do this, alright? Let's do some wacky shit. I do trainer name. Then I change the background. And then I comment this out entirely. Let's see what that does. Nothing. So that's weirder. So this is saying, hey, get this window ready to go. Then change BG1, then write text, then put the window tile map. Oh, but this never happens. Does it? Hold on. I think copy when full does happen in this function. Yes, it does. So this is saying, hey, fill it with transparency, put the window, and copy it to VRAM. Basically, like, get this puppy ready to go. Hmm. Do that under init Windows? And if I don't, why don't I? I don't. Now I feel like I just should. Just like, let's fuck around and find out. And then copy window T. What the hell is this? Oh, that's the header. Yeah, all these fucking work just fine. It's just this one. Hey. Alright, we're gonna take you back out. Alright, so now when I initialize the windows, I just get all the windows ready. Get them all lubed up. Let's see what it does in screen 0. Huh. Cool. No. What a disaster. What an unmitigated disaster. Okay. That is of interest. Init Windows. Init Windows is after change backup. How about if I just swap those, right? Just do some wild shit. That'd be crazy. Oh god. I'm such a goofy goober. No, absolutely the fuck not. Alright. Change background is actually just like load initialize backgrounds, and those come before Windows. So that doesn't surprise me at all. Not even a little bit. Yeah, okay. That also does not seem to play nice. Alright. Well, it was a cool thought. It was a whole neat little, it was a social experiment. Yeah, I feel like I can delete all this until we figure out what the fuck is going on. Move trainer for nameplate. Yeah. Yeah, all this stuff can come later. All this did good. Yeah. Alright, no more yelling at me, please. Ooh, nothing. Very cool. Alright. Did I ever compile? Yes, I did. Okay. I put notes. Okay, so the tile map is never actually put from the get-go. I feel like that's important. That feels like a thing I should do. Whoa, Archie Wall, here we go. I'm still doing some reading of the code base, but put when a tile map loads into the tile map buffer, which I already set up, and then copy window to VRAM actually copies the tile buffer into VRAM, which allows it to show on my screen. In my recent UI, I never even assigned a specific tile map buffer to my text background, like you're doing in set schedule and handle schedule show backgrounds. I only use set background tile map buffer for BG's one where my actual background tiles are. It could be related to these buffers. But you only have one background, right? Whereas I have 3. Don't I need, like, what happens if I never do set schedule and handle and show? How will it know what to load to what? Like here, I'll pull up the Figma. Please just load. Oh my god, if it's that... Okay, there we go. So yeah, the text is on the background still, and it doesn't have a set... Wait, what? Are you talking about yours or mine? Interesting. Okay, so like, are you suggesting... Okay, so like, set BG time map buffer. So like, don't do this. All right, let's try that. Got it. Okay. Oh. Maybe not the text. Oh, you're saying to skip. Oh, I see. Oddly enough, it does sort of work. Oh, that's interesting. It does work for like other text seems to work, but not. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. We might be getting somewhere. All my texts work. It's just the BGs today. So what if? Okay, so you're saying. Okay, so let's try this. Because this is a loop. Or these are always called as part of a loop. So if background ID. Should I not do the schedule either? All right, let's just try it. Okay. If it's not, you use schedule too. Okay. I'm not saying it is the problem, but due to the correlation of timeout buffers and the fact that put will timeout is your problem, I think maybe there's a problem with the buffer, even though it's the exact problem. That's just what put will timeout actually does. I use schedule 2 on text and title. So you use schedule, just not set timeout buffer. So if it's not 0, set timeout buffer. Otherwise, I will skip it. Does that? Am I doing your suggestion? Okay. All right. So that did not work. That didn't work. And oddly enough, the up here text is getting cut off. I don't know why, but I think that's a separate issue. But hold on. Text only BG1 only showed up when this was. Yeah. Right. Okay. So this needs to be here, and this copy win. I'm gonna try full and graphics and just see. Like, I don't think this hurt anything. Okay. And then, wait, hold on. Normally, what happens is, all right, I'm gonna do the thing that makes it so I know that BG1 shows up, and I just want to see what happens there. Okay. All right, so BG, this happens normally, right? So like, basically turning this off for BG0 didn't actually make a difference. That's cool to know. But now when I want text on, let's see what that does. And so that scenario, I need to turn everything on. So let's turn this on now. And let's do full first. So text should be showing up now. Like normally it would, but it is not now. When I was setting BG0 to a time map buffer. according to my notes. On, off, on. So now, on. Alright, so now let's try this versing that and using full. Oh, god damn it. I gotta figure out how to fix that. Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright. No, nothing. Okay, so in this scenario now, text will never appear, even under the right conditions. Sunset gets cut off, and does it show up later? No. Okay, I think that's fair. I'm just not sure how to debug this. Like, and it's so weird that it's text of all things, right? Like, you would think, like, the thing that I think would happen was like, oh, okay, like, this is in, hold on. Like, this is what's in Tile Map 1 before, right? No fucking problem. And then when I hit A, I, like, am clearing it out and switching to the other one. And that is fine if I don't print text. Which is so weird. Because yes, put window tile map is a problem, but it's also copy window to view. What do you mean by printing text to a sprite? Like right now, this nameplate is a sprite. And I'm putting text on top of it. What are you suggesting? Those two together both interface with the buffer. Right. I understand. Can you give me a menu? Like, I don't understand what you mean by printing text to a sprite. Because I'm not opposed to that. Unless you are saying that I make a custom sprite for every trainer name in the game. You print directly, like what I do. Alright, you're melting my brain right now, but if it's already in the game, I'm going to look at that. Yeah, I kind of like that idea. Hold on. Uber. What am I looking for? Tooltip? Print warp price on tooltip. Okay. Let's see. Background color. Start tile. Alright. I see a pointer into VRAM, and I'm already like, alright, what are we doing here, boys? Like, what is going on? Add text. Oh my shit. What are you doing, Archie? Alright, hold on. I don't. It's too big brain for me. Get a number. Put it in G-string 4. Put G-string 4. Add text. This is a custom window tile data, and then this is warp price into tooltip object. Oof. Okay. Take the BG. Okay. Take the window template. Add a window. Oh, so your window doesn't even... Okay, that's good to know. Because I believe we use... Okay. And this is... Okay, so the window doesn't even originally show up. You add a window. Then you fill it transparently. Then you do some shit with colors. Oh, then you use... I see. You define color for this text. I can do that. I'm already doing that elsewhere. Then you just add the text to window ID. Interesting. I didn't even know you could do that. Alright, what the hell is going? Okay, hold on. The Restream is acting up. To activate chat, please enable channels here. Did I unenable a channel? No, I did not. It says I'm live. It says my streaming quality is fair, whatever the fuck that means. Alright. Okay, this looks cursed, but I'm down. That takes picture. Okay, so this is just add a window and then take that window ID, return the window asterisk. Color the background, which is okay, that's fine. Yeah, that makes sense. Window tile data. What are you returning exactly? Oh, you literally window tile data. And then you are writing it. Yeah, you're storing it in a pointer to a U8. Oh, are you removing the window because, like, oh, okay, I loaded it into the tile data, I shove it in, and then I don't need the window itself anymore? The window is just like a holder for all this nonsense? Yeah. Okay. Object VRAM. That's just a pointer into. You were literally just casting the. Are you? Let me understand. You're casting the address of VRAM 0 to a void, so you can pass it into this function, so you can add the start tile address to the beginning of the VRAM, and then you're passing in the tile data, and then I don't even want to know what that 4 is, dog. Like, and this is just a raw, dude. I'm so glad I brought you on. You are. I can't. You're the maddest lad. I love it. What is happening? Like I'm just like in awe. Like what? I have so many questions. Like, why? Yeah, no. Why are you doing it? I understand that the health box is cursed, but why are you doing it? Dude, I need Masada emojis in here ASAP. Holy shit. This is absolutely cursed, and I'm gonna do it. I can't believe I'm gonna do this shit. Unbelievable. Alright, let's cook. Okay. Yeah, let's fucking cook. I don't have any reason to believe this won't work. I mean, famous last words, right? I need these 3 functions, right? Is it add text printer and create window on tooltip? Yeah, it's just these 3. Cool. I think Voluptua is doing the same thing for the sprites for the underground. Like, he is modifying the VRAM as you hit A and rewriting the tile map every time you like get through a layer, and I'm like, what is like one day I'll get to this level of big brainedness, but I'm not here. Alright. Sure, let's try it. Where am I? Did I do anything interesting? Oh, I got rid of some dead code. That is nice. I'm gonna undo your suggestion about the tile map, and there's some notes. Okay. Let me get back to. Hold on. BG0. Okay, we get rid of that. And so right now. Copy from object. Copy from object random sprite into the. Okay, hold on. Well, I need the text to move around with the sprite, and that's really hard to do with Windows. You should have heard the suggestion I gave you the other day with print the text onto a blank sprite. I told him to copy from object VRAM of the sprite into the window, and then load the text in the window, and then copy the window back to the sprite. Okay. Can you, like, Is that in the thread already? Because I know I need to pick up. I don't know if Nico told you that they decided to stop working on it for now. / forever. So that'll be a good tip for when I pick it back up later. Unless you want it. For when you finish the map. If you want it, it's yours. That's why I bring on people. I just want people that are smarter than me. The info screen? Oh, the summary screen. So real talk, I think the summary screen, yeah, I think the party menu replacement is more important than the battle UI itself. So if you wanted to do that, I would not stop you at all. Like, I think that's actually the most important part. And then, like, hooking up Pokemon to work with that. Actually, fun fact, that party menu replacement only works if I finish this feature that I'm currently working on. Yeah, if you want it, it's absolutely yours, though. I think it's super sick. Yeah, like I don't think I will ship without that, but I could see myself shipping with just the vanilla battle screen. Like, Crim made a really pretty one, and that's fine, but like, if we get down to the wire and it's not done, I can happily ship without it. But yeah, super down. Okay, back to work. Yeah, it should be. I think that's like the easiest part. I think if I think the part Nico, I think Nico picked like the hardest thing to do first, and I think if we had gotten through that, we would like be done. Like everything else, I think is like relatively easy. I think like I'm talking out of my ass here. What do I know? Yeah, no, I did see you say that, but you know, whatever. Everybody has to learn the hard way. That's fine. I just hope I didn't bum her out. Like, I feel like I was very, I feel like I'm very understanding and reasonable to work with. And they were like, I want out, and I was like, I get it. That's fine. Here's what I owe you. Like, let me know if you want back in. I haven't heard anything since. But I hope I didn't do anything. Like, I don't think I did, but that's important to me, you know? Just want everyone to be happy. Just want the kids to be happy, Archie. Yes. Yeah, I also thought, like, dude, starting from scratch, like, when Riolu was going to do that feature, he was like, oh, I'm absolutely starting from scratch. I'm not touching that shit, dude. And, you know, that's why I reached out to her in the first place, because, like, the things. Yeah, I believe that. But the fact that she got that far already with her UI, I was like, oh, you already understand some of the fuckery that's going on here. Yeah, sorry, buddy. Uh, yeah, I really thought, oh, this is someone who understands what the hell's going on here. They'll be able to just nail that shit. And I was completely and totally wrong. But, you know, whatever. Yeah, it's fine. All right, back to this. All right, we're going to do the world's most interesting shit. Okay, so right now, yes, okay. So I think we should get to a point where the text doesn't write. And then, yeah. Okay, so. Yeah, because I'm getting rid of it. So in this scenario, everything is off and BG1 will print. No pressure, but have you made any math headway? Totally fine if not, just purely curious. And since you're here. Okay. But do or do not. BG1 Currently on text off, preparing for writing directly to sprite tiles. Dude, I hate that we're gonna do this and it's like the most cursed thing I've seen in 400 years, and I know it's just gonna work. Alright, I need to solve this GitHub issue that I'm not gonna do on screen so I don't dox myself, but oh, it just doesn't. Very cool. Why just do this? Cool, okay. I'll fix it off screen. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, fuck, I'm sorry about the totaled car. I'm sorry. 2, I'm sorry you live somewhere where you have to drive a car. That sucks. And 3, no, please, dear God, finish the map first. Please, I'm begging you. I beg of you. Please. They have my family hostage. The map people. Actually, I don't know if I've told you this. The reason I reached out to you specifically for the map stuff is because I thought a new map would be easy, like the map functionality would be easy. It was the overworld stuff that I was not confident in, but I knew you were good at because of your Zelda stuff. Oh shit, that is rough. I'm sorry, dog. Oof, those are some drives. But yeah, the overworld stuff is what I was most worried about, and once you do a lot of that overworld stuff, I'm going to reuse a lot of that. Like that's gonna be the basis for like my item finding system and my Pokénev system or DexNav system. Like having arrows and shit in the overworld, and I was like, oh, Archie's best in the biz and overworld nonsense. That's literally why I reached out to you specifically. So that's also why I'm like, oh, the map stuff, so I can, because it's blocking other stuff. Does that make sense? All right. Okay, so this is working. All right, let's try this cursed thing. I appreciate it. You're great. Team Aqua Member of the Year. I'm sure they have awards for Dude of the Year. Yeah. Archie feels like a kind of leader who cares about that shit. Not Maxie, but definitely Archie. Maxie doesn't even drink. As someone who doesn't drink. Like, Maxie's a full-on fucking nerd. Why do you call this twice? What's going on here? You call it twice on 2 different... What the hell is that? On 2 different start tiles? What? 2 frames of the tooltip, I believe. Okay. I don't know how many frames my tooltip has. I think just 1. It's smaller than yours. Yeah. Alright, we'll see what happens. Okay. So you call... Alright, so I'm just gonna put this... I'm gonna name them the exact same thing too. Just for now. Okay, so static void. Okay, almost the same. And then copy name 1, 2. Oh, animation frames. Oh, are they? Oh, and you load both into in the same time, so when it flips, it's just there. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Thank you for explaining that. Okay, this is a void pointer. That's a UART pointer. and the window width, which is just okay, and then this is add text printer and create window on nameplate. And then this is taking a string constitute string, an X, a Y, a background color, and a pointer to a window ID. Okay. And this returns the window tile data and then warps the... Yeah, this makes sense to me. And then this is what gets called... Okay, so then... Print press on nameplate. Okay. Okay, so... I think it's like... Print nameplate. No, I want print trainer name. Okay, wait. I am going to print it to that sprite. How do I... Oh, because you're writing it to the memory every time, I don't have to worry about making the window transparent. It'll just overwrite it every single time. Because I'm overwriting the tile data. Because I'm just removing... Yeah. Okay, that makes sense to me. I think it makes sense to me. I don't fucking know. Okay, so I don't need this either. And I don't need this either right now. I will need it later. And I have X and Y already. Okay. Okay, I will need some of this later. Okay, so print. This is now print name on nameplate, I feel like. I'll just call it in here, just to be safe. And print name on nameplate. Interesting. How do I... Yeah, it makes sense. Sprite ID location. How are you getting that? Oh, this is Sprite ID for the location tooltip. Is that what that is? So I just need the Sprite ID of the nameplate. That's easy. Okay. I also will probably end up passing in... Okay. Alright, so static void print name on nameplate. And this is... Okay, no, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do print name on nameplate. And I'm passing in get nameplate sprite ID. What the fuck is that too, bro? Background color? Oh, that's the color of the sprite. How do I get this? I think really hard. I'm just gonna fucking do it too, see what happens. For now. I'll come back to this. Oh no, what colors are... Let's just do text color. The text is white, so I'm gonna do white. Yeah, that should just work, right? It's not gonna work, but it's fine. And then start tile, you told me just grab it from the OAM data, which I'm gonna do. Yeah, key sprites. Get... Okay, so what I actually need is... Nameplate sprite ID is get nameplate sprite ID. Cool. Nameplates. Nameplates. Sprite ID. Damn, I run out of Pokemon Stadium music already. All right, Archie. Give me a Pokemon game that I can play the soundtrack to. Let's hear it. Let's cook. All right. So that works, and then this is just U32 Sprite ID 32 background color. Oh, I'm kind of quiet. Oh shit! I wish you had said something earlier. Dude, I'm at max. Hmm. I had this problem last stream too. If I just turn off. Oh no. Yeah, if I just turn off suppression, you tell me if that gets better or worse. I don't think it actually changes anything, but oh man, I wish it's. Oh, I totally would have worked on that. Damn, I'm sorry, dude. I mean, thank you. I appreciate it, but shit, you shouldn't have to do that. I should just not be shit. You know? Is that any better at all? Fair enough. But the request was, can you pick a Pokemon soundtrack to play? All right. While you think of your favorite Pokemon soundtrack, I will start here. So, object VRAM, and then cast it. Void object VRAM 0. Okay, and then I don't need this. Yeah, that. Yeah, that was super sick of them. That is a rare Pokemon Company W. Do you want? Okay, I assume that you want Diamond, Pearl, Platinum, and not BDSP. But I will ask: do you have a preference? I also just need to make a DPP playlist because right now it's DP. Oh no, I know what I can do. I will. How do you clear? Yeah. Okay, and then yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm just asking. Hey. Just wanna make sure. Okay, Diamond and Pearl. Where's Dialga? Where's that blue motherfucker? I know you're here. There you go. There he is. Duplicate track deleted. Do you want to add track list? No. Okay. And now if I do this, it should be shuffling. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Welcome to Sinnoh Land, home of me. Hell yeah. All right. I don't need any of that shit, but I do need the text that gets passed in. So I need. Do I? Get trainer name. I'll just do it your way and I'll optimize later. I'm not gonna fucking add text with no create with no nameplate. Okay, so this is get trainer name with trainer ID. And then I assume the 2 and 5 are X and Y coordinates. Yes, X, Y, background color, and window ID. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this X and Y to here. And then X, Y. Are those X and Y? It doesn't matter. I'll figure it out. X, Y. BG color. Why did you? I don't. Okay, we'll figure it out later. And then window ID is. Wait, how did you get window ID? Oh, window ID is like an empty I see. Okay. Like right now it's nothing and we're gonna populate it with something. We're returning from inside the window, not screen position. I'm using the same window, so in theory it should just work, actually. Yeah. Okay, so add text. And then window tile data is that. And then copy. Copy. What are you doing? Copy name onto the nameplate. And that is now object VRAM plus start tile. And then use window tile data. And I don't know what that for is. I'm gonna know though. Window width? Yes. Window width, which is, I don't know how wide it is. But I can look at the tile on the sprite viewer. Oh wait, can I just pass in window width? Like, take the window ID? Or do I need the width of what I'm actually writing here? I'm gonna assume window width itself is fine. Window. The number of tiles, that's not what I was expecting you to say. So it's not, or is it 8? Wait, what? These are 8 by 8 tiles. So the actual number is 8 by 14 then. Oh, no, because the width is right, the height is wrong. The height is just 1. Or 2 at the most. So this is 16. Okay. I need to make that not a constant. Or not a magic number. I'll do that later. I mean, I'm mostly scared that I'm going to forget what it does. And then I remove... Yes. Okay, hold on. You're asking some interesting questions now. Because this is the window that I'm using. Should I make a new window that's just the size of one name? Actually, hold on. Was this the whole fucking problem? Is this window just too big? Like, it is... I don't think that's it, but yeah, it's like here and here. Yeah. I'm currently streaming to RHH as well as Discord. Should I mute? Like, do you care about being a guest on the stream? Okay. You can also just join RHH. Come home. We miss you. Alright, hold on. Check, mic check. Oh, wait, are we in a call? Are we talking? What the hell? I can't hear you at all. Why can't I call you back? Dude, what the fuck? Oh, you're back. Oh, he's back in RHH, baby. Hell yeah. All right, hold on. All right, here, and I'm streaming. Share your screens. Yo, I can barely hear you.
Hello?
Hey, you are so quiet. Hold on, let me
Hello?
turn you up.
Hello?
No, okay. Talk now.
Hello?
Okay, I have you at 200% on Discord, and I can hear you fine now.
Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, it might be me.
So, with this,
Yeah, it is me.
whatever you were doing with the other window, the glass window trainer name, like,
Yeah,
just completely ignore that. Like, that does not matter anymore. It doesn't exist to you.
yeah.
This window that you are creating for that goes on top of the sprite it's entirely created within the functions that you are writing. These print warp price on tooltip. That window is created using the add text printer and create window on tooltip function. It's
Okay,
not it's not any of these windows that you're loading or doing
got
anything
it.
with, because again,
Okay,
you get rid of it. So the size of this window, it doesn't matter, like any of that. The fact that like before your window had to be the full size of the screen so that you could move the text down,
yeah.
that doesn't matter because it's going to be on top of the sprite.
Sick.
Um,
Okay,
so like the width is just 4 or maybe 5. It looks like 4 though.
all right.
Just because that's that's the amount of 8x8 tiles that are there, and your
Understood.
X and Y are not the position that your old window was. They're the position inside of the window. So
So
you
zero
can
zero.
0 0 or like 1 1 or like 2 2 or whatever, whatever looks good in the end. You can do 0 0 for now though, because
Yeah.
until you see what it looks like.
Got it. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, understood. Thank you. All right. Um. Okay, I got print nameplate down, and now static void. Excuse me. Now we need add text printer and create window on nameplate, and this is passing in a const UA string, and then it's printing an X, a Y. Why do you pass in BG color here instead of just defining it right here? Because this is the first time it actually gets used.
You can blame that one on Game Freak.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, that was just copied code from Game Freak.
All right. Okay, the window ID is the new thing I'm making, and so now I'm gonna assume that should be a 32, and then I need to make a new color array. We're definitely gonna fix that later. Oh, okay, and now I'm making a new window template entirely. I see.
Yeah, yeah, and then it gets removed, like the remove window that's in the bottom of the other function.
Yeah.
Like you create it and then you remove it. Like it
Hold on.
doesn't ever cease
What
to
is
exist.
S tooltip window template? Oh, so you do
Uh,
define it.
I do, yeah, I do, but it's separate. It's entirely separate. It's in its own window template thing.
So I need to define it. So I deleted it like 2 minutes ago. I need to not do that.
Well, it's just separate though. It's not. I mean, I don't have it in like the list of window templates that you
Oh,
had
I should.
before, but
Oh,
you
I
can
see.
see.
Just make a new one. Okay, here we go. I'll just do
Yeah,
this. Window template S tooltip window
yeah, you can put
template.
it there. That's fine too.
Cool. Okay. BG 0.
And I don't think the base block matters there. Like like I don't think it has to be where it was before.
Okay.
But it's technically possible. That's not one that I would say quote me on.
Got it. You're
But I'm
with
pretty
this is. Oh,
sure
this
it
is
doesn't matter.
unrelated. Okay.
Yeah, but at the very least, you can go ahead and throw in the base block you had before. But I really don't think it matters.
I'm gonna not. I'm gonna not and see what happens. And if some funky shit happens, we'll know where to start. Yeah. Doesn't need anything. It's the last member of the struct. Okay. So it's got a new window template. And now when ID is from adding the window, and we're going to use WinTemplate. And now we'll fill this bitch up with... So why doesn't... because transparent would put the transparency on the sprite, and I actually want the background color of the sprite itself, which I don't have a way to get right now, but I'll get it later. Okay, that makes sense.
See a different color.
Yeah.
By the way, your voice is coming through very loud through Discord call.
What the fuck? So it's OBS.
Yeah, maybe you're down in OBS.
What? Okay, I'll deal with that later. That's good to know. All right,
Yeah,
no, that's awesome to know. Okay, can I turn myself down in Discord though? Let's see. My input volume's at 100% on Discord. All right, so the problem is OBS. That's really good to know. Thank you. I feel bad for your guitar amp. I'm sorry. I'm gonna buy Archie a new amp. I blew out his fucking speakers. Jesus Christ. All right, and then I can just copy this from earlier. I don't even need this color array because I've already defined it like earlier. I don't even need the string to be passed in because I do it here. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. And then the pointer to window ID is now...
Make sure to change the window ID there.
Wait. Okay, I'm assuming this is just Game Freak things. We're passing in an empty window ID. We're declaring a new one. Couldn't this add window just be window ID equals? Like... Right?
Oh, window ID equals. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay. Dude, I love Game Freak.
I mean, that could just be me adding random stuff too.
No, I believe it. The thing I'm learning about Game Freak is, because I know this is their first game in C, I'm pretty sure I am learning C at the rate they were learning C. Like, it's actually insane. Like, there's so much shit that I can tell, like, oh, they wrote that early on, because I would write that shit 6 months ago. Like... It's so insane. And it was still a banger.
It definitely was.
Yeah, like they just fucking did it. They're doing their best, alright? And their best just isn't good enough, turns out.
When I was saying change the window ID in your add text printer parameterize for, you
this.
Last window trainer name.
Yeah, thank you. That wouldn't have... Actually, it would have compiled and it would have been a disaster. Cool. Okay. Okay, font ID isn't defined. Oh, X and Y aren't defined either. Oh, they are. X and Y are defined. Font ID isn't defined, but I can just move that from up here. Trainer ID isn't either. Okay, hold on. All right. Font ID, and then I got spacing, got the colors... Get trainer name. Okay, alright. And then I have to do the other part, which is then copy it onto the nameplate. Dude, if this works, I'm going to lose my mind. I mean, I'm expecting it to work, and that's like the craziest part here.
So this next part is one of the only places that I don't like really understand one thing about it. That's a 256. I don't remember what that means.
Cool. We're gonna learn together.
Like looking, like when I was walking Nico through the stuff earlier when she was trying to get the text to print onto the health box, I was looking at some of the stuff, and sometimes it says 256, and sometimes it's 0. So it's gonna be one of those two. It's either 256 or it's gonna be 0.
I'm gonna fucking find out because magic numbers drive me insane, but it's not a today problem. Okay, so now will this even fucking compile? Print. Okay, so print nameplate happens every time I move the hold on, let me double check that. print nameplate is, yeah, handle trainer name happens. Do I have two? Yeah, and then handle trainer name happens every time that's for setup. Oh. I think I got rid of it. Oh, no, because move. Interesting. And then print trainer name is this nonsense. And print trainer name, yeah, happens every time. So in theory, when the sprite moves, this will move. Okay, this should compile. It's not going to, but we'll see. Cool. All right. Okay, I know there's unused variables, conflicting types, 3115. What? Print nameplate. It's using all 332s. Oh, wait, why did I define it as static void? What? Why did I do that? Oh, I have two functions named print nameplate now. That's why.
Yeah, I thought you had noticed.
Oh, no.
Flipping back and forth between the two.
Nope. Oh, because no, this is supposed to be print name on nameplate, and then the next two are add text. Yeah, I just fucked up my autocorrect. Cool. All right. That definitely won't compile, but it's a start. No trainer ID in 2133. All right, that's fine. Unknown type name BG color. Oh, whoops. Okay. Looking for. That's a 32. And 3123 is here. Okay. Add text, create window on nameplate. But I defined that earlier. What do you mean? That's not implicit at all. I definitely defined that. Yeah, right here. What are you talking about? Oh, I know why. It'll work now. And then trainer ID is not here. That's on me. But I don't even need it. Yeah, I'm just going to do gtext blank. I will figure that out later. Okay. And then, okay. Should get some warnings, but this should just work now. No? Oh, haha. There's no. Wait, what? It says there's no semicolon. Oh, I didn't close this. That's why. Okay, cool. I do that all the time. Like with my free floating strokes, I just don't. I should get like a. Oh my god. What is going on here? Do I need dummy win template? Is that the problem here? No, because you don't have that. But whatever. Yeah, that's definitely not it. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm an intelligent adult. PGC. Okay, I closed it. That's fine. Compile that. That's not gonna compile, but we'll see. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Conflicting types. Ugh, God. Add text printer. And create. Okay. So this is. It's not the blank, right? I'm just gonna do. It's a pointer. That's background color. That's X. That's Y. Yeah. Is it because it's not constant? No, there's no way. It is constant. Alright, we're gonna just do this. Just gonna worry about that later. Okay. window ID. Oh, because that's a pointer. Okay, that's silly of me. Fine. So this should be the pointer to win ID. Yeah. Okay. And oh, does it need to be an 8?
You are in get window attribute. You are using the win ID and not the window ID because you switched to not using win ID. That's not why it's not compiling, but that's gonna be a problem. Get window attribute, the return U8 pointer. Get window attribute.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that'll compile and then just fuck me.
Yeah.
Sick, thanks. Same thing up here too. That would have been a doozy. Yeehaw, thanks. Alright. Let me get, what's my next round of errors? Come on. Cool. Okay. 3123. Void value not as ignored as it should be. Oh, is this supposed to be static void? Add text printer? No, it's a U8, right? It's a U8 pointer? Yeah, because I'm casting this window attribute as a U8. Okay, don't know how that got fucked up. Alright. Looks like we're... Alright, we're cooking. Alright, I'm ready for this thing to just fucking crash. Here we go. Cool. Alright. To the tile map viewer.
Well, it didn't crash.
Yeah. Okay. There's no tech. So I won't be able to see it on the map, but I'll see it in the tile map viewer in theory.
It should literally show on top of the sprite inside of the tile map viewer. So there are the two things that I would try first, which are removing the 256 and seeing if that helps.
Okay.
Then,
I wouldn't even have thought of that.
Oh, and then the base block for the window.
Oh yeah.
Because like theoretically, like how it might work is it needs a free space in VRAM in the tile data section to copy it into, and then from there it copies it into the object VRAM, and then it wipes out where it was in the tile VRAM. I don't know if that's the case, but theoretically I could see some world where that is what happens, and that would be the base block.
Okay,
but
let's
also
try this.
The 256 there, I don't know. I don't know what it means. Well, that didn't change anything.
Neither did this one. Okay. So both of your suggestions. Okay, so let's try now a different base block.
120 doesn't. I would use the same base block that you had before.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, now I want to try this.
Assuming that base block wasn't outside of the memory.
I mean, it was pretty big, but not that big. No. Okay. Let's see. Trying to figure out what's the smartest way to get that one back, and I think it's just to recalculate it. So I'll copy this, and then I'll do plus 15 times 15. All right. No, it couldn't have been that bad because it was printing there before.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah. Cool. All right, and then we try the 0. And then we go through this line by line and figure out where I fucked up. My favorite game. All right. Where did I fuck up? Cool. Let's do this. Okay. All right, I'm going to move you up. so that I can look at these functions next to each other. Yeah. Alright, let's check. Is print trainer name even running? It is. Is handle trainer name running? It is. Okay. And print trainer name runs every time I move the cursor. Nope. And when I first load. Yes. Okay. So, it's not that. I actually think I should definitely move it after moving the nameplate. Not that it matters now, but something to think about. Alright, now. There's a lot of dead code here. It's a fucking code graveyard in this bitch. Am I using any of this nonsense? Nameplate. The window ID doesn't matter. Alright, so we're gonna just... One less function I gotta think about if I could just do this.
I don't know if you want to try this, but there is one option that could potentially give results.
Cool.
And that is the OAM.tile number thing. I have never actually used that. That's just what I've seen in other parts of the repo. You can always go to the tile viewer, click on the starting tile for your sprite, and then hard code the offset for now just to see if it helps.
Sure. Yeah, why not? What the hell else am I doing today?
The tile viewer will tell you the offset of your tile if you click on it.
Why can't I find the name OEM though? Print.
You just delete it. You just remove those lines. I'm pretty sure I just saw you cut those.
Aha. Oh yeah, because I'm passing it in. Okay. All right, so let's do this. That's a 32, right? Yeah, tile num. Okay, so we'll do that. I'm gonna do this first. I'm just gonna collapse these functions down, so it's one less thing I gotta look at, and then I will combo this out and hard code the tile number. Okay. So now, nameplate ID, text color white. Yeah, okay. Get rid of those. BG color is... Is BG color... That can be a 32, yeah. Oh, shit, wait. There's no shot it's because my colors are wrong, right?
Well, I mean, if your color of the text is the background of the sprite, then it would not show as anything. But I don't think that that's necessarily true.
Yeah.
I mean, you can just copy, you can just do the color array that I had just to be sure, but...
Yeah.
I don't think that's the issue unless for some reason you have your sprite color as the exact, or your text color as the exact color as the background of the window.
There's like no shot that I'm doing that. Just asking.
But I'm pretty sure you probably have it as white, right?
Yeah. Where is...
It's not white, it's gray.
Yeah, where is nameplate? Oh, that's the only place I was using it to begin with. So I can just do this. Get nameplate sprite ID. Don't need that either. Okay. Tile num, background color. And where does that tile num get used?
It should be where start tile is now.
Oh, okay. Oh, because... Okay. Got it. Alright. Copy name. Okay, so object VRAM is defined. Tile num is defined. Window tile data is the output of that. 4 is just the width. Okay. And now you were saying to do this. Shit. 31 and 5. Oh. Go into the tile viewer for the sprite and get the first tile of address of the sprite. Let's see. Oh, nope. Tiles. Shit. How do I find it? It's in here somewhere.
You can hit only object tiles on the left if you want to. That just makes it only the sprite tiles. Wait, is that your text right there? Printed on top of... Scroll to the top.
Maybe?
It looks a little jumbled to be your text. I don't know, you can... Why do you have... Oh, because there's a bunch of different... I was just wondering why there's a bunch of the same sprite, but it's because you have a bunch of the same sprite.
Correct.
It just looks like a lot more, but...
I'm almost certainly not doing the most optimal thing here. We'll come back to that.
Yeah.
Those are... Okay, this is it. This is the beginning. Right here is the top. I want the top left. So it's tile 384, so I want that address or the tile number?
It's 384, yeah.
Okay.
Are you... When you load each time, is it going to be exactly like this?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Like, in terms of, like, trainers and... It's just the 384 is at the same location. Okay, yeah. It'll probably be different for like the different routes because you're loading it last instead of loading it before all the Pokemon.
Yeah.
But like for now, as long as you're doing Sunset, it should be fine for 384.
Oh, because if there are more or less Pokemon, then it'll... I mean, that's easy. I can just load the nameplate first.
Yeah, that is easy, but I mean, ideally you wouldn't have to hard code it just because that's jank.
That's true. We should not be doing this at all. Okay, so 384 for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the reason why it works in the map is because one, there are very few sprites, and I control the order, and I just loaded that one first.
Got it. No, I can definitely just load this first. That's easy to do. There's no reason it has to be last. Cool.
Well, it didn't help, so.
Cool. All right, now I'm curious. Like, is that jumbled mess? No, we confirmed that wasn't my text, right?
Yeah, I don't know what that was though.
It does look like text.
Well, maybe that's where it's copying it right now for some reason.
So now if I want to like comment out this function and just see if if I just don't do this, does that go away? And if yes, then we know we're fucking cooking. All right, moment of truth. Oh shit, Archie.
The text
Look at
went
that.
away, so
Yeah.
the window's there, but the text is gone. So yeah, it's just in the wrong spot.
Cool.
Why is it at tile 13?
Sometimes
tile 13.
Cool, very cool.
Or tile 12.
Yeah, I think it's. I think I clicked 13 earlier, and yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so we found our text. Cool. So we don't have to hard code. We know that this is actually.
That was working before, yeah.
Okay, do I have the wrong nameplate sprite ID? No, because 384 gave me the same result. So no, I know I have that right.
Yeah. So why did 384 give you the same result? Copy name onto template, object VRAM plus tile number. Copy name.
Did I do something wrong here? Tile window data plus 256. We're gonna fuck with that later. Window width.
256 plus 11 is not 384.
Oh, interesting. If I change this number, does this text move somewhere else?
Yeah, that is a good question.
Cool. fascinating shit right here. All right. Dude, why is there no shortcut for game state views? I'm gonna die. It doesn't show up at all.
Doesn't move. Why is it not moving?
Wait, is this gray box my text? I thought the white squiggles in the gray box was my text.
Oh.
So it's gone now. It's not even in memory.
Well, that doesn't make any sense. That makes a lot of sense.
Cool.
If you go back to zero, does it show back up? I know we're just going in circles now, but
I mean, that's what I'm doing for the last. Okay, you came into the stream with me going in circles. Like, this is fine. Like, you saw the curse shit I was doing an hour ago. This is fine.
I'm still pretty certain that your problem had to do with the buffers. I don't know how or why or like how to fix it, but I'm like,
yeah,
90% certain.
I believe you. I just also don't know how to fix it. Okay, when I zero, it comes back up.
Okay, so
when I 256, what does it do? I don't remember.
Tile size for BBP. Window tile datum.
Oh, I just realized something that. Oh, wait, hold on. It shows up at 0 and 256. It does not make a difference.
15 is usually the text background. Oh, is that a name actually? Does that say Hector?
Yes. Oh, Wilson. It's Wilson.
How'd I get Hector out of that?
I don't know, but that is correct. That's the name that should be here. So, and watch when I move. Yeah.
If you move if you change the Y value, oh yeah, it is. That is definitely the text.
Yeah.
So now you just have to figure out how to get it on the sprite.
Dude, I love this game. The other reason I realized is because it's gray, or it was gray when I had the palette right, and that's the color I use for BG color. Cool.
You should add maybe like 4 to the Y value in print trainer name just to see if it you don't have to compile right away to see it. Well, you should do it in the add text and create window and on nameplate, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah. I'll do it the right way in a second.
Oh wait, +4 goes the wrong way because game.
Wait. What?
Video games. Because the Y is positive, Y is down.
Oh, great. Actually, no, it's the. Oh, I see. So, you're saying.
Or is it? I don't remember.
Dude, I don't know. Hold on.
All right. It is, but I don't think it is for the sprite or for the text in Windows. I don't remember.
Okay, if I do some drastically fucked numbers here, what happens? If I just do like 15.
Do positive 4. Do positive 4.
All right.
Well, 15 I think is gonna make it not visible.
I'm just. Will it show up in the tile viewer at all? That's what I'm curious about.
I don't think so because the top was cut off, and I think the top was cut off because of where it was.
No, that's the.
That's the wrong one.
I always do that. Same shit. Oh wait, is it slightly better now?
Yeah, I think it's now more.
It's on the box now. I need the whole fucking window to move.
Yeah. But it's on the box, so
yeah.
You just need the box to move. I don't understand why. Like, if you have the exact location in VRAM, 386 or whatever it was, and you're copying it off of the.
What the fuck?
Doesn't make any sense. Object VRAM plus tile number. It works on my UI.
Yeah, it do be working. That's destination is wait. We're casting
Destination is the VRAM plus the tile number.
right, and you're casting that to void because it's really the address of VRAM 0 plus the tile number
Maybe multiply the tile number by
by
tile
8.
size or BBP.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
it could be by 8, yeah. But I don't think that that's the problem either. I mean,
I don't either, but I'm down to try.
384 divided by 800. Where do they? It's 48.
Okay.
Oh wait, what? How? Why did that work?
I don't know.
Uh, okay. Well,
I gotta inch it over a little bit, and I gotta unfuck the color. But we're cooking. Also, why is the color absolutely cursed?
oh wait. Can you make it full screen just so I can see it better for a second?
Yeah. Oh, it's still cut off. The X is wrong too.
Yeah. So you need it to be one more tile over. So if you just add one to it, or add 8, I guess.
8 to it. Yeah, I was gonna add 8 to X, right?
Yeah.
And this actually
You
should
might
be.
need to though. If your sprite is only as big as you might need to actually edit your sprite so that the center of your sprite lines up with the 8x8 grid instead of having the top of the 8x8 grid be the top of the sprite, if that makes sense.
You're losing me. Hold on.
Okay, well, you check this and then I'll explain what I mean. That
I don't.
didn't help at all, did it?
This made it worse. Well,
Yeah.
this is interesting. The text is gone, but the box is here now.
Where did you add the 8?
I made X. Added 8 to both actually, or I made this.
Oh, I didn't mean there. I meant in the where you multiplied by the tile size for BBP next to the tile number.
Oh,
Like object
at
VRAM plus tile number and then 8
just
after that, after the parentheses.
got it.
After the
Just
parentheses.
one more tile for good measure.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, I
Or
can
you
see
can
why
add
you thought that would be a
for the
1.
tile number.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, and then I was like, we'll do 8 instead, or 1 times tile size, or just
Yeah.
tile number plus 1. Um, okay, well, it moved the top of it over.
Cool.
Why
No,
did it
no. It didn't move the top. It moved the bottom to the top and then shifted over by 1.
That's even worse.
Yeah. That's
Well,
look the bottom of
actually,
the.
it's probably because of the tiles. Go to the tile viewer now. It's probably just because of the way that the
Where is it? Are you kidding? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Same thing here.
huh.
I
And
bet you if I do 32, it'll move the entire thing over.
you can try. Yeah.
Yeah. It's my.
But basically, what I was saying with
The sprite.
just the fact that it's too high, I don't think you're gonna be able to change that without either making the window twice as high, twice as tall, but that is probably gonna clobber the borders of your sprite. Basically, what you need to do is your sprite is like it doesn't have any space. So the grid is aligning right in the center, and you want the grid to you want a like row of 8x8 tiles to be in the center so that you can line up. I wish I could like draw what I mean. Oh, that
Okay,
worked.
I was right. Okay, cool. Now I need to unfuck the colors. If I just, why does it seem smaller? No, it's not. It's definitely not smaller. All right, now I need. Okay, so here's the tricky part. I have a formula to center the text based on the width of the trainer's name. How do I translate that into tiles?
Uh,
Like I have it set to the X relative to the window.
we just you should get rid of that 32 that we just added, and
Yeah.
instead you should add one to the window width, and just make the window wider.
Okay. This
Because
five
you're
is
gonna
the
need
window
more
width.
space for it, right?
I need I need however many tiles this is here. Let me open it up in Time Up Studio because I actually need the full width of this for because some of my trainer names
And
are chunky.
theoretically, you might need to make it 1 pixel longer just so that border on the edge doesn't get clobbered. Um,
Yes. Where are you? You're in here. Graphics, UI, glass, trainer, list. Is it here? No. Where is it?
but
Where are you?
if you can get the colors to work, the like shifting it down part it isn't code related because of how like windows work. You can't move the window down 4 pixels. You can only move it down a full tile in memory. And
Okay.
because of that, you just need to redraw the image so that, like, let's say your image is 32 by 32.
Which it
You
is.
need you need a 8 by 8 grid to be in the center, like aligned with exactly where you want the text to be.
Okay. I
If
think
that
I
makes sense.
understand it. I'm gonna look at my tile and see. Here we go. Nameplate. Okay, this is what it looks like now. So I need to just move this to the center, basically.
Yeah.
All right, that's easy to do. Show me an 8 by 8 grid. And I want the text to basically start. Okay, all right. So
Yeah, you don't move it all the way to the center, but move it down so that like one of those 8 by 8s. Well,
I want my text to start here, basically, right?
your text is gonna start wherever. Yeah, exactly. How is your text supposed to be the full size, or is it just supposed to be 8 pixels tall?
I don't remember.
Well,
It is currently the correct height.
okay,
So one tile tall, I guess.
okay, yeah. If not, you can always just change it to font small instead of worrying about making the window 2 tiles big.
Yeah. I'm doing font narrow right. No, I have to do font narrow because font small is too wide. I think. So I need to vertically align this too, is what I'm hearing.
Yeah, the problem with vertically aligning it though is that, well, for starters, the thing that we just did is now going to be undone. Sorry. Vertically aligning is what I meant entirely. I did not mean horizontally aligning it at
I
all.
see. Okay.
Uh,
Well, I was trying to
you
do
can slide
both.
it. You can slide it back as fine to the left. That didn't
Oh.
matter.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so this
I
is
was just talking about the vertical because you like to actually shift where the tiles are. You need it to be. You need one of those 8 by 8 grids to be where you want the text to be, basically.
which is
Because you
here.
can't move the window. You can move the text inside the window, but you can't move the window.
Okay, that
Other than
makes
you can
sense.
move it a full, like a full
Tile.
tile's worth, but
Right. Okay. I think this makes sense.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might need to shift it by 8 full tiles though, because now you're not printing on the top, you're printing on the second row of tiles, if that makes sense.
So like this.
No, go back to where you were. I'm talking about in the code.
Okay.
Yeah, like that's fine. Like that's fine. I just mean in the code before you were going straight on top, but now your 8 tiles shifted because you're on the second row. So I would do +8 to the start tile number or to tile number. you can do it in the top where you actually have the tile number written, like
Right.
U32 tile number is equal to G sprites. You can just do +8 there. I think that'll work.
Okay, and then I'm going to define window width now, so just so it's easier for me to find later. Because I've already forgotten 3 times that that's what this was. Because I'm old, Archie. I'm old, okay? Alright. Window tile data. Okay, and we increased that to 5. And, okay. Dude, I know horizontally aligning this is going to be some absolute fuckery. Some clown car shit I'm going to have to do, but...
if it's the same width as your thing, I don't think it'll be that hard, but maybe it will. Don't listen to me.
Where's my W? What's up?
I can't see, so it's hard to tell.
Alright, hold on. Let's change the color. Hold on. We're going to do that right now. Hold on. BG color...
Like to shift the X value now? I don't know.
That's not right. I don't care. Okay, the X value, let's try making that 4. Oh shit, I gotta change where the sprite is also told to, right? That's an easy problem to fix though. Why did the color not change at all? What the fuck?
Oh, because you're using get font attribute, right?
For not the color, I'm using for the text. I'm using font window. Like I have this array already set up. I assume this BG color.
Background color even used though? Oh, it's in the fill window pixel buffer background color.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
so
What the fuck?
maybe it's the maybe it can only be based on the sprites palette, and you're filling it with what does the sprite palette look like? Is that color in the sprite palette?
I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I see now. So I need to do. Oh, okay. I get it. BG color. Oh fuck. Wait. So that means I need to add this gray to the sprites palette. But for now, I can just do this, which is...
Is it not already in the sprite palette? Isn't it the sprite palette?
Oh, yeah, you're right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Yeah,
so
I'm not sure how... So, like, theoretically, it takes the color from the window itself, which is based on whatever background it was on. But that I don't know when you're copying from window into sprite and then well yeah that works. So I was right.
Oh, I know what's wrong. This palette number is wrong. On my old window, the palette number was like 15, I think. Yeah, that's why. That's literally it.
That's why I was that's what I was trying to get at.
Yeah.
It's
My bad.
confusing when you're going back and forth between the object memory and fake window memory.
Okay, that didn't fucking do it. Cool. Very cool.
Well, just pick the offset of white from whatever you had in the sprite palette, which would just be one more than whatever gray you had, I think.
One less, but yes.
Or one less, yeah.
Okay, but I'm telling it to use this font white shadow. So do I need to define a new color array here? Like this should just work, right? Like I'm already using this elsewhere in the function.
Well, the problem is that if it is taking the colors from the sprite and not from the window,
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
then it has to be the ID or the sprite or the palette ID inside of the sprite palette.
I understand.
Which is probably why I had that array there that Game Freak used.
Fine, Game Freak. You're
big
not
numbers.
completely bullshit. You're just mostly bullshit. 7, and then the shadow color is 1 less than that, so 6. Fine. Game Freak, you win. I'm going to standardize you, I swear to God. And then this, when you did it, you just passed in the whole kit and caboodle. That's what you're supposed to do. Alright. All this work just to get it fucking readable. Here we go. You know what we haven't even tested? Does it... What do you mean color your mother's undeclared? Oh, I didn't... Here we go. Hold on, my partner has approached the desk. I think I'm being summoned. Please hold.
Are you on a stream and on Discord?
Yes. He was helping me in the stream, and he's like, I want to join the stream, so now...
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Okay, that's all.
You've never had people you watch it streaming and then someone starts talking to them?
I think like once.
Yeah. I feel like that's normal for streamers to have friends.
It's not that you don't have friends.
No. I'm saying like for the stuff you seem surprised, and I'm like that feels like a normal thing that would happen.
Oh, it doesn't happen that often.
I see.
Not enough where I'd be able to say it and
I see.
know what's going on.
Okay. All right, we're back.
I've been really wanting to make the bike scene from the intro and the credits into a title screen.
Do it.
I don't have any reason to. Like, there's no hack that I'm gonna put that in. Hey, look at that.
All right, we're cooking. Okay. Oh baby. All right. Okay. Interesting.
How are you handling really long names?
My game will not have names this long.
Okay.
Well, okay. Oh, it's twofold. It's one, I'm not gonna have any like that name in my original code would fill this entire thing, and I'm not gonna have any spaces like for double names, and so in theory, a lot of names fit. Also, my sprite guy is creating a new font that will fit in spaces like this. So this is just literally just placeholder for now. So yeah, don't worry about. Although, what happened before? Why is it cutting off in the middle? Oh, it's a J, and so the tile stops right there.
Yeah.
Okay, the width should be longer, but that's easy, right? That's just this, right? And maybe no, because the width here is 8.
Yes, that will work.
But
however, yeah, the width, the 6 there is what's important. However,
shit.
See what's gonna happen. It's gonna overwrite it, which is why. And I'm not sure there's anything you can do to get around that. I think you might just have to make your sprite a little longer.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that anyway, which is fine. Cause okay, it has to, and it needs to be a multiple. Basically, I need to get the sprite to extend all the way to here.
Yeah, 1 pixel after the last 8x8 grid. So because you want the white part to be not covered.
I'll just do that. I'll just do that now. Actually, that's easy to do.
I mean, it takes a second, so yeah.
Like that.
Yeah,
and I hope
that's as far as it needs to be.
I hope Crim won't get mad. He won't even know. No one has to know. He's not watching this shit. Crim, I'm sorry. Just get me my font. This is actually your fault.
Well, hey, we got from whatever cursed implementation of this giant window that you had before.
Yeah.
Now you have a sprite that it's just all in the sprite.
Yeah. I mean, okay, now for the actual curse shit, the thing that's supposed to happen now is when I press down, the tile map changes so that it simulates the green bar scrolling. Like, step 1 is just get it to show up. But I'm telling myself that should be easy. Like, I'm already doing it in Twitter. Hold on.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it'll be that hard, but that's
like,
also
I do it here.
Weird.
Why is it flashing? I swear to God, it was not flashing before when I merged this in. But I'm doing it here, so it should be easy. Yeah. All right.
I mean, if you just have 4 tile maps for the 4 different sections, then
I
that's
do.
like the easiest way to do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little harder to do it more dynamically, but I still think it wouldn't be that hard to do it
Yeah,
dynamically.
I feel like it'll be fine.
A little dumber.
Okay, so now,
You just have to center it.
yeah. Okay, let me find my code that was centering it before. So, center, where was it? Vertically aligned is what it was. Yeah. No. No. Where is it?
Yeah. So, I mean, you can do the basic, which is where your Y is. I would keep the 4, well, you don't need to do vertically aligned, right? Because it takes up the whole 8x8. You just need to do the X one.
Yeah.
If you want to do vertical alignment, you have to shift your sprite.
Yeah, that I understand now.
But for the X, you just do X equals 4 plus. I would keep the 4 there though, since that's lining up with the direct edge.
Yeah.
And then just plus whatever you need to make it, offset.
Okay, and that means I need to get the window width at this stage, or I actually don't need it here. I don't need the width of the string until I get here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, because I think what I was doing is I was passing in the trainer ID, getting the name, getting the string width, and then okay, all right. What is that called? Here we go.
Yeah, I don't remember. I saw you use it, but I've completely forgotten.
It's fine. Calculate location. No. It's not this one. It's haha. Calculate name, horizontal trainer position. Okay, and then copy name onto nameplate. All right, so I'm gonna move it here. Yeah, so it gets the string width, and so in theory, so this is just telling it. Oh shit! This is now different too. Okay, I can get rid of this. Thank you for your contributions. This was 43, and now it's not 43 anymore. Now it's something else. It's like 47. All right, that's not so bad. Okay. So it's 47 minus string width over 2. It should be exactly this. Well, this was telling it, hey, position this exactly at this x value.
Yeah.
So in theory, if I divide this by 8,
Or
that will be...
subtract 4.
Okay. Yeah, let me try that.
Did you compile it and test it with just as is?
No.
I didn't. I was looking at my phone. Okay. Yeah.
No. Here, I'll just do that raw, though. Sure. Font ID is... There's no reason for X and Y to be here, actually, huh? Like, we don't need to pass them into add text printer. That's just what Game Freak did?
Yeah, it's just what Game Freak did.
Cool. We're going to not do that anymore. Actually, we're going to do this. I'm going to leave it alone for now, and then I'll just redefine them, and I'll clean this up later.
You also, I guess, don't need to pass the background color too either.
Oh, yeah. Because it only gets used... Oh, no. Background color gets used... Oh, no, you're right. You're absolutely right. Okay. A problem for a different day. Get trainer name horizontal... Wait, what? Calculate, sorry. Calculate. And then this takes the font ID and the trainer ID. Alright. Now it's just a raw X. Let's see what happens. I'm not expecting this to work. That'd be crazy if it fucking did.
I kind of expect it to work, but just being 4 off, but we'll see. No, well, actually maybe scroll down, see if it does anything.
Cool. Interesting.
Wait,
It doesn't.
was one of those different? Was
No.
the John one different? No. Okay. Well,
No.
at 4 is adding 4 what needs to happen? No.
Yeah.
It's just calculate train in horizontal position.
It's literally what you would expect. Font ID undeclared. What the fuck? I just did it. I didn't capitalize that D. Alright, letter spacing I can string with. Okay. Ah.
Why is it cut off?
Oh, because we didn't increase the width after we made the box bigger. This should be a 6 now.
Oh, when did that get back to 5?
I undid it immediately after it didn't work. Like the frame after we tested it.
Oh, but it did work. It was just too wide.
Aha.
Let's update the site.
Yeah. Okay, 4 is too much, but why is 4 too? Oh my god. Okay, that makes sense. Why is 4 too much? What number am I expecting here? I hate.
So you increased the actual width of the box itself.
Yeah.
So maybe that's related.
Yeah, I did, and I updated the constant that I'm using nameplate with by 4 pixels. Yeah. It actually increased by 4 pixels. The size of the box.
Well,
So
maybe just 2 is what you need now and stuff.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Okay.
What is the DCPA? Is that just some alias you have to make it open MGBA automatically?
I'll just show you, but yes. It's macro hell in here. Hold on.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the answer is yes.
Yeah, make all cores is use all my cores, like the JProc whatever, to run make, and then kill open, finds an existing MGBA instance, kills it, and then opens a new one with a GBA file in the same folder.
Okay, yeah, no, that's cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Definitely useful.
Feel free to steal it. If you want the file, you can just have it.
Yeah, I mean, you can send it in your Discord later. I'll definitely take a look.
Okay, here
Look right?
I'm gonna show off now. Hold on. Okay, and does that work?
Yeah, it did.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Hayspin is godlike. Love this shit. Okay, this is still. It's wonky, but like I can fuck around with it. This is now just pixel pushing.
Yeah.
So those X and Y's are actually just in relationship to. It's not related to the sprite. It's like some tile that I can't see, or like. Right.
I mean, theoretically, it should just be based on the tile, like that you are. Maybe you go back to where your window was, the fake window,
Yeah.
the fake window struct. So the 8 and 2 is because of those are the sizes of the tooltip,
Right.
for the map because it's a big one, it's a big boy, he's fat. Maybe put it to 6 and 1 because that's what you 6
Yeah.
and 1 is the size of your window.
Yeah.
That could be related to the problem where it's like thinking there's more to it when it's creating the window.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like if that were the case, it would be off by 16.
Oh my shit, brother.
Okay. change it back then.
What? Why? I don't. That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Like, okay, so to be clear,
Wait.
this is the background. Here, ready? Hold on. Let me. It's this. The background here is what it's feeding in there. Like, it's leftover shit from this menu. What the fuck are you doing, dog?
Do we have any weird thing going on with the tile start stuff still, or did we get rid of all that?
Tile
Is there
start?
any, tile num? Did we do anything weird with tile num plus 8?
Yeah.
Maybe you
Get rid of
plus
that.
8 now?
Yeah. Oh, because we're
Not
too many
just
tiles
back
into
to
the
what we
future.
had.
No, that makes sense. That's still insane. Dude, I love the Game Boy Advance. It's my favorite console. Oh my god.
Just go back to what we had before.
Alright, okay, alright.
That doesn't make any sense though, because
What
the window is not 8x2.
Yeah.
And yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Oh no, it does make sense. Because where did I do it? Hold on. I'm passing in a 16 somewhere.
Maybe it's 256 is no, that's 128 is 16 times 8.
Oh no. I swear to God I was doing 18 times 2 somewhere. Or 8 times 2 because I was using the size of this window. But apparently not. Okay. Alright, so
Back to working like it was before.
let me take a screenshot. Maybe that is censored and I just don't know anything. Alright. Grid mode. No, it's definitely just wrong. So that's 9 pixels, and this is 7 pixels. I'm 1 pixel off. But if I do +1,
Or plus 3.
yeah. Oh yeah, it might be that. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see. This is gonna. Okay. All right. Let's see if that worked. I think it got worse. So it's gotta be +3 then. Yeah. Now it's 6, and this should be
You went in the wrong direction.
11, 10, 6 and 10. Yeah. So it should be 3. I don't know why. I hate.
Why? Fucking prime number ouch.
Oh God, yeah, I have no idea. All right, let's see.
That was that reminded me of for the games that I'm making with Hio and everything, the other spider that we have.
Yeah.
They were making sprites on. It was like, what was the prime number? Was the offset? I'm like, please just use a power of 2. Just please just use a power of 2. It was something ridiculous, like
Oh no.
or something.
Oh Christ, why?
Was
Why?
I think it was. How much is that?
No, this is correct. It's now it's 8 and 8 on both sides.
Well, that's good. Is it 8 on all of them? Well, not all of them, but
No, the top is it's not vertically centered, but that I can just because now we know that this 4, it needs to be 4 to get like I know if I increase that to like 6. Actually, hold on, we can just do this now. This is 2 here and 5. Oh, it's never. I need to move the sprite entirely. Yes.
Yeah, you just have to move the sprite up a pixel or up 2 pixels, or however much you want it to be.
Oh, you mean actually? Hold on. I have to move the sprite in 2 places. One. Oh shit. Okay, I need to move it here up like 2 pixels, right? Is it up or down? Hold on.
Well, you would wherever the boxes are is where your window is going to be. So those blue boxes in the
Yeah.
center for the grid
Yeah.
is where your pixel is where your thing is going to be. I mean, this screenshot is obviously like shifted. Those grids are not accurate on the screenshot.
They should be.
Oh,
This is
I
a
guess it is.
yeah. This is right from
No,
Pokémon.
because your sprite is the window is based on the sprite tiles. Since here you can move your sprite by 1 or by 2 or by 3 or by 4,
Yeah.
and that's gonna be different where the sprite actually is in terms of the whole scene.
Yeah.
But in terms of where you want the text to be, it's based off of the sprite, not off of the screenshot.
Yeah.
So
Oh, I see.
yeah, because you can move the sprite by up 1 pixel, and it's going to move the text with it, and that's going to shift where it is in this grid in the screenshot.
Yeah.
So you have to move it in the nameplate, and then if you want your nameplate to be in a specific spot after you move it, then obviously you have to move it in the code as well.
Yeah.
But that's moving the whole nameplate sprite in the code, just like whatever the position is that you want it at the end of the day. Because if you shift it up in the sprite image, then you have to shift it down in code, if that makes sense. Although technically you already shifted it down, so
Okay, so I need to do this, I
copy
think.
the whole thing and move it up 1 or
Yeah.
2. 1
Yeah.
is fine, yeah. And then that should be perfect.
And then, yeah, compile and see what happens. And then, yeah, in the code, I just need to move the whole fucking thing, but that's easy. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. I think that is perfection. Yeah, I need you to hurry up with Heel so I can hire him. I haven't asked him yet because I know he's specifically working with you and Jason.
Yeah, I mean, he's gonna be working for us for a while probably. So if you want smaller things, I'd maybe ask him anyway. But he is definitely busy working on stuff because I mean we're in the process of making 2 separate games. We kind of
Jesus.
stopped on one of them because it just how scope increases
Oh, yeah.
very easily when you're doing
Yeah.
something you're passionate about, and our boss is very passionate about the game, and he was like, okay, this is going to take way too long. We need a smaller scale game
Yeah.
to get out first so we can start making money, and then we can get back to the game we were working on.
Nice.
So we're working on a different game.
Fuck yeah.
Which is also starting to balloon in scope, but that's not my problem. I'm just here to do the programming.
Hell yeah. That's sick. I can't wait to play the Archie game. I'm excited.
Yeah, no. The first one we're making isn't exactly my favorite genre. It's kind of auto battler with a little bit more control than a typical auto battler.
Okay.
The second one, the one that we were working on, is a roguelite, a top-down 2D one. It's kind of like Hades.
Nice.
Pixel art, and that one is more fun.
Are you allowed to say this on stream to my one viewer? Hold on.
Yeah, he's already said those things on his stream to his
Okay.
viewers or whatever.
Got it. Sick.
So, also that one viewer is me.
Perfect. I love it.
I'm not viewing your live in RHH. I'm just listening to you because Discord sucks on stream.
Oh, does it?
At least for me.
Okay.
I've never been able to pull it out and have it just always looks.
All right. Good. Duly noted. I only stream so my goal for this stream is not. I actually don't want to be a famous streamer. Hello.
You should mute me or mute yourself because now I'm hearing myself come through. I'm listening to you through RHH. I'm just not watching it through RHH.
Okay, so I should.
Louder in RHH.
Okay, so I muted myself.
Okay. I mean, actually, I still hear myself. What's going on?
I have you in headphones, so I don't know why you hear yourself.
Yeah,
it's not.
Just now.
What the fuck? I didn't touch anything.
Well, either way, I gotta go. I gotta pee, and there are people waiting downstairs to play Melee with me. It's very hard to talk while I'm having this delay.
Yeah, I hear that. Go wave shine on those motherfuckers. Have a good night. Thank you so much for your help.
He dances all over the place.
That's good enough. That's something.
I I mean, Luigi, like I was practicing all my wave shines and my multi shines and stuff, and then as a joke, I picked up Luigi while playing some other like DK or something, someone who was playing mid tiers on Slippy, and I just instantly got hooked. I was like, how have I never tried this before?
There you
Because
go.
his wave dash and his wave
It's so
spin
fun.
are just they're so fun.
Yeah, yeah. I get that 100%, dude. That's how I got into P plus Bowser. I was just like, oh wait, this is actually fun as fuck.
Yeah. Well,
Like,
anyway, I'm
all right.
glad that you got this working.
Thank
if
you
you
so
have any
much.
more questions, feel free to ping me.
All right.
I'll definitely be on tomorrow and Sunday,
Sick.
and I'll be working a bit on the map stuff. So,
All right.
just
Sick.
ping me if you need any help.
All right. Thanks, man. Greatly appreciated.
Okay. Yep.
Peace.
Talk to you
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the famous Team Aqua's Archie, my one viewer. Thanks, man. Greatly appreciate your help. Okay. I was gonna go to bed at 10. I think maybe I should also just call it. I should just commit this and fucking call it, and then clean up this function tomorrow. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I can't believe this worked though. This is so crazy. I'm gonna move it up, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Okay. So move nameplate. Now let's do print nameplate. Calculate vertical nameplate position, and I moved it down how many pixels? So I just need to offset it by that many. It used to be, so hold on, it's +4? Okay. Yeah. +18 now, okay. That's wrong. It should have been -4. It should be 10. Okay. It's going to be way too low. Okay. Alright. Beautiful. I feel like we've unlocked something very scary here. Like, I feel like this tech is not for humans. Like, I've learned something cursed. But, you know, whatever. This is great. This is so sick. Okay, I can get rid of all this dead code, or these notes. Alright, let's clean this up. Let's commit this, and then we'll clean it up. Printing trainer name onto nameplate. Oh, no. Okay. Awesome. Okay. And now we try. Oh, let's play some music again. Oh, why am I quiet in OBS? Let me fix that. Turn this back on. Let's see. Settings. Alright, where do I... Output? Streaming, recording, no, okay. Audio. Yeah, that's the mic. Audio default. Okay, that's not it. This is fine. OBS too quiet. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Can we open this? This is actually a bug. Okay. I gotta fix this. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm talking, and I don't understand what else I could be doing. Okay. Auto monitoring. All my tracks are on. I want to do like 200%. Oh, no. 200%. Let's see. That didn't make a difference, but that's okay. What is vertical layout? Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I want that. Okay. Now, does this make a difference? Does this make a difference? All right, I'm talking. Okay, I'm just gonna read this. Sprite. Actually, this is just trainer name window. Print trainer name. Okay, this just works. This works. Window tile data gets written to. Do you need to do this? Does this compile? Cool. Oh, I won't. Hold on. I'll just make it. $48. Perfect. And then this is now no longer a constant. So now this is class trainer nameplate with. Okay. Don't know what that's for. Tile size. Is that just need to know what this is. I assume it's 4. Oh. Interesting. Include GPU components. House size 1 BP. Cool. Cool. Okay. Get sprite and then background color. Yeah, it uses the window. Okay. So that is fine. And then win ID isn't needed anymore. Training. Okay. I don't need anything but the window. Okay. Okay. And then just don't really need the window ID. And then does that just work? Let's see. Pixel fill needs to be 8. Palette color 58. Yeah, okay. And then what if how data is just I could just do this. Yeah, window ID, window width doesn't have to happen. Pile number is this. This is actually tile number plus tile address. Tile no. Window tile data. Destination. It's gonna be tile destination, is what we call it. Okay, static. Avoid pointer? Yeah. Trader name, tile destination. Return. Return. Let's see. Tile name is file number times that. Yes. Avoid pointer equals calculate tile destination. Stuff with your name. Tile destination. Copy name onto nameplate. And this is now tile dest. Window tile data. Window with. Absolutely not gonna work, but we're gonna try. Oh, that's it? Oh. Take the tile destination. Go into tile data. The address of the bill ID. Add text until all the name was right is what we're gonna call it. Turn name window. And then the font ID is passed in here. So this is where the magic is actually happening. Okay. 4 pixels from the top. The define glass trainer nameplate. Vertical padding is 4. Set into window. Fill the pixel with transparent. Go with the background color. And then use that window ID, the font ID. Calculate trainer name horizontal position. Okay. Letter spacing is right here. Font ID. Oh, okay, so this is now letter. The hell? Get string with. Oh, wait, hold on. I need the font ID to get the string with. Fine. Yeah, okay. I need the font ID no matter what. Fine, fine. I could pass that in, though. Yeah, let's pass it in. And this is outside of the function. Yep. Y equals glass trader. Yep, okay, this is the okay. Okay. This works. Actually, I want to double check to make sure I have some fucking state sequence. Let's see. I'm going to do this line by line, make sure I didn't accidentally send Archie some state secrets in my config file. I don't think so. It's just useful shit. Just macro hell. Yep, fixing generate a random place, random places. Fire. It shouldn't give him that. I should not give him my token. Oh, should not give him that either. And then where's my this? Yeah. Okay. Script to find dependencies. Okay, that's in Pret. And then they'll need that. They'll need that. Start Docker. No mouse. Cheat colors. Rip. I don't even need that anymore. Alright. So now, how do I save? Accept. Copy URL. I'm just gonna edit that. Yeah. cool. I'm super cool. Should I be streaming in private still? Oh. No shot. Okay. Joy Skating Help Desk. Streaming text. Alright. Colors just passing in the whole fucking room. And letter spacing. What can we got here? Letter spacing, line spacing. So letter spacing. Get onto line spacing. And now finally get trainer ID. Okay. Window ID gets manipulated there. Okay, and then calculate. Got it, okay. There's no way I could have made that easier. No, okay. Calculate chain name horizontal position, you just pass that in. 5.2 plus 3, what's the 3? Define glass trainer, nameplate, horizontal, padding is 3. Glass, nameplate, horizontal padding. $256. It's an address? Sometimes it's 32. What the fuck? Oh, I see. It's source. It's like grab tiles from here and put them at this location. I want to align those, please. Tile data. Tile destination. Times 8 or whatever it is. Size. Oh. Include GMA difference. Okay, so we're multiplying it by 64. Oh, no, we're multiplying it by 32. After we're already... the window width is already being multiplied. Window width is taking that. So hold on, we're doing 48 divided by 8 times 19. So 48 divided by 8 times 32. That don't make no damn sense. It's just 192. So what's 8 times? So we'll just do 48 times 16 times 4. Why don't we just do that? Okay. Half times? Let's do this. Restream. Cool. Fuck. Oh, no. I got that wrong. That's why. Okay, here we go. Okay, so copy name onto nameplate. Alright. But okay, nobody has to be for a good cause. So cast that in go as being okay, yeah, that's fine. Get the tile data. I knew you could do that. That's cool. Okay. Is it 0 now? Alright, let's see. Nope. Is it sometimes 128? Or is it always 256? Interesting. Window tile data is... Oh, my offset is wrong. Because, like, the tile number here is right. Yeah, because it doesn't get moved or touched at all. It's literally getting created and passed through. Nope, that did not work. Window tile data is from here. Oh, that's destination. Window tile data. It's like a tile or two after that. 32. 32 tiles. Is that a screen one? No. I don't know what 256 is. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just leave it alone. HR plus 1. Don't know why, but it's fine. And then destination doesn't change in your window. Yeah. Window width could have happened here. Is it actually window width? Oh, it's 8 tiles though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Alright. Do I need this at all? Nothing happens here. Copy trader name window onto nameplate memory. And this is create text. Okay, so this is actually create trainer name window, add the text. Yep, okay. And then remove the window. Cool. Does this just work? Let's see. Let's see. And it works. Hell yeah. Okay. Optimize writing text to. Okay. This one is fixed. Pressing A on the finish. I'll figure that out. Okay. Cool. Alright, we're doing it. Let's watch this fucking burn. See if we can get all the backgrounds back. See what happens. It'll be fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah, no. Alright, so now let's just change the top map. Alright, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I think this is a good place to call it. A successful stream if I've ever seen one. Is that still true? Yes, it is. I'll figure that out later. Yeah, okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. That's weird. Yeah. Alright. That's fine. But are these not? Oh, they will be aligned though. Yeah, okay, got it. Oh, interesting. Cool. Fade and bail, baby. Alright, gonna call this a successful stream. Going at it for 3 hours, 3.75 hours. We're good. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Not tomorrow. We'll see. I'll stream Monday. Maybe over the weekend. I doubt it. We'll see. Alright, bye.